And today we shall talk about how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. So, first of all, it's better you make sure that your account is a business account. If you don't know how to convert, you're supposed to click on the edit profile, then you come to account settings. Once you come to account settings, come you're going to scroll down and you're going to find this. So, if you want to convert to a business account, maybe if it was personal, you come here. So after that, you want to maybe public profile. So you want to write the description of whatever you're advertising or want to gain traffic for affiliate marketing. Maybe if you're using ClickBank or ClickFunnel for affiliate marketing, or maybe keto diet. So that's what you're going to write here. So my story is about, so maybe let's say this platform. Simple description: this platform uh, contains maybe, what do you want? Maybe, so I want to deal with digital products. So and specifically things things that you can print on charts. So print ideas and digital products. Just something simple, because this is just a tutorial. Simple, and you move on. So if you need people to take you seriously, so you're going to like arrange your whole profile and all, so that it looks like, yeah, approachable and all. So once you are done with all that, setting up your account, you're going to come here and create pin. So you might be wondering, how do you like start from, how do you like maybe one specific product, how do you like put the product with the link in such a way that when a customer clicks on it, you're going to get a commission for whatever they purchase. So you might be confused on that area, since this is the place you're going to land. So what you're going to do, you're going to come from here to this place, and you can see save from site, and you're going to pick your product from whatever site you're using for affiliate marketing. So let's say, what shall we use? Love you to the moon on back. Let's say this. Then you're going to go back to Pinterest. Then you're going to copy and paste. Then click enter. So Pinterest will automatically load some photos. So you're going to pick the photos that match with the product, with the link, the product that the link leads to. So it's this and this. Yeah, I think those two. And then you're going to click on add two pins. So um you can add your title. Maybe let's say this is a t-shirt print idea. T-shirt print idea. And then you're going to publish. Though you're going to maybe advertise something of a higher picture quality, as you can see. Don't know whether they're going to accept. So publish. So we are going to create a board, maybe SVGs or something. and then you're going to publish. So once someone clicks on this product on Pinterest and maybe they purchase it, whatever you're advertising, whether it's keto diet or whatever the theme around your work is, whatever you're using Pinterest for, when they click, you're going to get a commission. So save from site, copy and paste the link, choose the corresponding picture, and then you can you can publish your work, and you're going to generate traffic. And why I recommend Pinterest is because there's a lot of traffic, and it's used by a lot of people for ideas and everything. So if you feel like the niche of your work can be can maybe traffic can be boosted by Pinterest, this is it. Thank you. I hope to see you next time.